if you're using PhotoScape X Pro, just insert this picture here like that. Now we're going to look at the editor section. There's this part here called transformations. So you're going to look at this part. Remember, the editor section is divided into this upper part here. There's the adjustments, there's the effects, then there's the transformations. Today we're going to look at the transformations. It's very simple. If I'll just click here and it will give me all the options. Now we start with the first one, the tiny world. Tiny world is good, especially if maybe you are taking a picture of somebody wants to see you from up, maybe like the bird's view. So you can either zoom, you can either increase zoom or blend, just like that. I'll just cancel it for now. Then you have text mask. Text mask, whereby you can add text. Maybe you want the picture to be inside the text. Maybe you can just write maybe something like me. Then you can just put, then of course you can adjust, you can scale, you can even position where you want it to be, just like that. I just cancel that also. Then we have the stretch. You want to stretch, maybe you want many pictures, or you want to stretch the face like that to make it a little bit funny. Then of course you can compare it was and before. I'll just cancel that also. Then we have the scissors. You want to cut the picture. There are many varieties it gives you here, as you can see there. Cancel. Then of course we have the fish eye. I think it look awesome, especially if you want to maybe make it look funny, maybe but now at which angle. Maybe you want some part to be big, just like that. If you compare, this is how it was, and this is how it will be. Let's try to mask some part. Maybe we don't want this part to be touched, so let's see what you can do with it. Maybe this part, maybe this part. So you can make the picture look funny. You can also change the brush size, maybe cancel that. Then we have where is it, reflection. Yeah, you want the picture to be reflected down here. You can choose how it's supposed to be reflected, colors, maybe you can compare it was, and this is the reflection. Cancel. Of course, then we have perspective. Maybe you want it to be like see if it is tilted like that, as you can see there. Cancel, or you can apply, just cancel it. Then you have margin round corners. Maybe you want to make the corner round, maybe like this one here. You can decide the amount of top margin, how it will be, the color, and even rotate. Can do that. Cancel that. Cancel. Then of course offset. Let's see. Want to do that? Maybe let's see what happens there. Just cancel that. Then you have borderline. Of course, you want to put a border. Maybe you want to put that color of the border. As you can see, their thickness, that. Just cancel that. Then you can even replace the image. Make me replace the image with another one. Let me go to the downloads here. Maybe I choose this one here. I'll just apply. You can decide to fill, stretch, replace. Just apply. So of course you can let's see what I've never used this. I don't know what it is. Matte background. See what it does. Yeah, you can see there. Just cancel it. Then of course you have lens profile correction. Maybe they have different types of cameras. Maybe you want this how it look. You can try all of them. Just a matter of experimenting. Kodak. If you took a picture with a Kodak, I'll just cancel that. Then we have transform. I think this one now something like I don't know. There's cropping. Some of these things I've never used. I think it's squeezing. Maybe you can even change the color. I'll reset so that it comes. Cancel. Then we have warp. Now warp, you can use it to stretch. Maybe you want this lady to look pregnant, so I'll do this. You can warp the picture. This one works if the picture has the background is removed. You can see that. Maybe you want to, you can see there, just like that. Cancel that. Then of course we have 3D. Yeah, you want your picture to appear as if it's 3D. That, like that, like that, like that. Yeah, and also how it want to cancel that. Then of course the last one is geometric collage. Maybe you want this part to have that geometric collage thing. Maybe M, let's try A. Maybe at here you want it here, or you want it here, something like that. Cancel. So guys, that's how to use the transformations. Just can transform the image, make it funny, make it awesome, make it good. See you in the next video.